Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of making money online. There are many ways to earn money online, depending on your skills, interests, and how much time you're willing to invest. Here are some popular options: freelancing, writing and editing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Graphic design. Create designs for logos, websites, or marketing materials. Programming. Build websites, apps, or software. Virtual assistants. Provide administrative support to businesses. Online marketplaces. Sell products. Use Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell handmade or vintage items. Dropshipping. Sell products without holding inventory through platforms like Shopify and AliExpress. Print on demand. Design custom merchandise like t-shirts and mugs with services such as Printful or Teespring. Content creation. YouTube. Create videos on topics you're passionate about and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Blogging. Start a blog and earn through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Podcasting. Create a podcast and monetize through sponsorships or listener donations. Teaching and tutoring. Online courses. Create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. Tutoring. Offer tutoring services is subjects you're knowledgeable about through sites like Tutor.com or Wisent. Investing and trading. Stock market. Buy and sell stocks through online brokerages like Robinhood or Trade. Cryptocurrency. Trade cryptocurrencies using platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in real estate through platforms like Fundrise or Realtime. Surveys and microtasks. Paid surveys. Participate in surveys and get paid through sites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Microtasks. Complete small tasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Remote work. Customer service. Work remotely as a customer service representative for companies. Data entry. Perform data entry tasks for various businesses. Creative ventures. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Music. License your music for use in videos, games, or commercials. Consulting and coaching. Business consulting. Offer advice to businesses in your area of expertise. Life coaching. Provide coaching services to help people achieve personal goals. Niche opportunities. App testing. Test and review apps through services like user testing. Domain flipping. Buy and sell domain names for a profit. It's often a good idea to start with one or two methods and gradually expand as you learn more and gain experience.